There's a very interesting Reddit post, and I'm going to link it in the description box so you guys can check it out. It's essentially sharing the idea that Jared Leisek is hiding his assets. It's been a minute since we've talked about Jared Leisek, given that court process has been very slow. And back in March, the motion to dismiss the rape charges had been denied by the judge. That is as much of an update as we've had. There's been some attorney changes and whatnot. And that is what we've seen so far from this case as of today's video. We will be following up with that whole situation. As you guys know, we did interview Hero and Jessica here on our channel. Shout out to them, and I hope that they're doing well. I want to point something out about this post on Reddit, and I didn't even think of this. They wrote in here, apologies if this has already been mentioned. A lot of people are talking like Jared will get away scotch-free with his child rape charge. I know someone who believes he may lose the trial, or at least in civil court. They're saying that you can see they move their second home to a trust, the 1.2 million house, on the 29th of November 2022. They also state that there's a $500,000 house that was moved into the trust on June 14, 2022, 4 months after the email exchange with one of the victims. Okay, so I thought that was probably the one thing from here that really made my eyebrows kind of raise, is the $500,000 house was moved into a trust on June 14 of 2022, 4 months after the email exchange with one of the victims. The person on Reddit also notes that he sold this house in 2002 to his own father so he could go bankrupt and avoid paying the $200K by the SEC. Again, this is alleged to what's being posted on Reddit. Take it for what it's worth. This person on Reddit is definitely making some pretty strong points. I'm going to link their findings in the description box so you guys can check them out. What do you guys think about this as far as Jared Leisek allegedly hiding his assets? Now, essentially what this Redditor, I think, is putting together is a valid, interesting points to make. Given Jared Leisek's track record and whatnot, is it possible that he's moving stuff around to accommodate to, you know, his legal stuff about what's going on and everything? Is that possible? Potentially. Allegedly. I mean, we don't know. And it got me thinking, right, now that that motion was dismissed in March, what are the possibilities that, you know, things are getting moved out, things are getting moved around, and his assets are being, you know, readjusted? Now, that Reddit post really got me thinking. That motion was denied in March for his dismissal of the criminal charges, and then, you know, you had the attorney changes and whatnot. I mean, is it likely that Jared is making some moves with his assets to figure out next steps for his situation? I don't know. It's possible. Let me know your thoughts in the comments about it. And again, I said allegedly. I don't know if that's the case, but I thought it was worth sharing about what folks are saying here on the Reddit streets. I'll see you guys on the next one.